Hi, it's Denise from Vitality Ozone Clinic coming to you with another short video about ozone. So what is ozone? Ozone is made out of pure oxygen, and pure oxygen is O2. It has two atoms attached to each other. They pair together, they're like married. Okay, so what happens in the lightning storm? The lightning then strikes and separates these two atoms. They separate the atoms, and when they come back together, some of the atoms might find they're not just in twos, but they're in threes. Okay, so this is when the power comes into the O2, making it O3. This is called ozone. So the ozone then has this dynamic power. It doesn't last very long. It will last about an hour and a half. If you were to put the gas into a glass bottle, it will last about an hour and a half. So we harness that gas and we put it into our bodies through our nasal passages, our ear canals, through the IV, through our rectum and through our vaginal canal. And because we're putting it in ourselves, it reacts with our body cells and it doesn't just die. It turns into peroxides through our fat cells and through other cells, and then those cells then allow the gas to travel through the body and do the job that's needed to be done. So if you're lacking, if you're recovering from surgery and you've had a hip operation or knee operation and you find that there is some kind of infection, then having the ozone will help to reduce the bacterial load. If you're suffering from any fungal infections, toenail infections, vaginal infections, oral infections, because you can also drink ozonated water, which is fantastic for dysbiosis of the gut. Ozone is brilliant, it's natural. There's very few side effects. Most people can have ozone, but there's a few people that can't, and sometimes it's the way in which you have it. The IV ozone carries a little bit more risk, but and not everybody can have it, but you have the other options. So we have you've all heard about the antibiotic load, where you're having an infection and you need two courses instead of one, because now we've got the antibiotic resistance. Well, ozone is fantastic. It's not resistant to a lot of bacteria or funguses, so it works effectively. So I just wanted to talk to you about what ozone is. So my machine, I've got my oxygen tank on the side. I run the oxygen through the machine. The machine then gives it a bolt of electricity. That electricity then separates those O2s, and when they come back together, most of them are coming back as O3, but some of them are coming back as O2. So you've got a mixture, and then I will administer it into your system in the appropriate way. Talk to me, come and have a chat, and let me, we can discuss how we can help. And we look forward to talking to you again. Take care. Bye bye.